Janielle. Thank you so much for being here with me today, and God bless you guys. So I know all you're seeing is a plate, but there's a reason for it, you guys. I will be showing you guys my go-to snack when I'm feeling like I have to have something sweet. This is what I go for. This is what I eat. I love it. It tastes absolutely delicious. It is everything and more. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how I make it, and I will put all of the calories, or I think that the calories might be around, at the end of the video. I will try my best because I'm not too sure. Okay, but let's just get into the video and get started. So the first thing you're going to need for this is my favorite rice cakes. This is the Lundberg Organic Thin Stackers 5-grain rice cakes, you guys. I absolutely love this. The first person I saw with this was Amy Fit Lady Lede, and I decided to go and grab it and try it out, and I absolutely am obsessed with these. I really like this, so you're gonna need this for sure, definitely. Next, you are going to need some almond butter. Now this is the Great Value natural almond butter with a crunch to it. So this is the crunchy almond butter. I got this from Jasmine, my friend Jasmine. Jasmine's losing it. She said that she loves this crunchy almond butter, so I'm like, I need to try it. So I picked it up, and honestly, I'm not gonna lie, it's so bomb and it tastes so good, and I'm so happy that I give it a try. So thank you, Amy and Jasmine, for your recommendations. Yeah, so you're gonna need your almond butter. It doesn't have to be crunchy, but you're gonna need almond butter. Next, you're going to need some sort of jam. Now, you could use like natural berries and mash it up to have like a no added sugar type of jam. That's normally what I do. I ran out of all of that, and this is what was in the house. So I'm going to use it. I'm sorry, like, we're not always on 100 every single day. This is one of those days, so I'm using this instead. But I do recommend you getting like fresh berries and crushing them up to make your own homemade jam, or use like less sugar. But honestly, the homemade own jam is the best way you can go. But because I don't have it right now, I'm going to use this one. This one is from Smucker's. It says no sugar added, so that is why I'm going to use it, and it is 20 calories per tablespoon. So I mean, this is a better bad, but you're gonna definitely want to use like real berries and make your own jam. Okay, next you're going to need a banana. So I have one medium banana right here. It's a banana, that's all you gotta know. You're also going to need some nuts. Now the nuts that I like using are pumpkin seeds. These are the shell pumpkin seeds, unsalted. I love these. I also have some pecans here. Now these are not salted, they're just regular pecans. And I also have some walnuts here, okay? These are also unsalted walnuts. They're just regular old walnuts. And to top everything off, you're going to need your unsweetened coconuts. Like coconut flakes. You can get the larger coconut flakes. I have the unsweetened medium coconut flakes. I love putting this on top of it to just garnish it, make it look really nice, and it tastes good. And yeah, guys, so this is what I'm going to put on top. Okay, so what I love about the pack of rice cakes is that it comes like this. So there's probably like 4 packs of these in a box, which is really nice. And in each pack comes with 6 rice cakes, which I think is so nice and so cute, and it actually makes you feel like you're getting your money's worth. So I love that. So you're just gonna place 4 down on your plate. I use 4, and for 4 rice cakes, it's 100 calories, you guys. 100 calories for 4 of these bad boys. That is amazing. Now you're gonna take your almond butter. I use about 2 tablespoons of almond butter. For 1 tablespoon, it's 90 calories. So, I mean, you do the math, okay? Oh my gosh, it's like pouring everywhere. You do the math, okay, guys? But, yeah, I use 2 tablespoons because I can, and it fits in my macros for the day, so I do. So what you want to do is obviously get your spoon, and you want to just grab your tablespoon. And I just, like, split the tablespoon between 2 crackers. So I'm going to go and put some on here, and put some on here. Alright, so now you're going to take your jam. You're going to do the same thing and take 2 tablespoons of jam and split them between the 4 crackers. Need your banana. So I'm just gonna peel my banana and start to chop it up. Now I normally chop up about, I mean, you could use half banana. I honestly just use a whole banana because I like banana, so why not? I know some people are like, banana is very high in sugar, and it is high in sugar. I'm not gonna lie, like, it does have sugar in it, but honestly this is better than eating a chocolate bar, a Snickers, or a Henry, a Captain Crunch, whatever you want to call it. This is way better. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my banana. And trust me, if you're used to having Snicker bars and candy and a whole box of donuts, this is definitely way better than that. So I'm gonna put 4 on each cracker. I'm just gonna go ahead and eat the rest. Now, what you're gonna need is your pumpkin seeds. This is how I do it. You don't have to use pumpkin seeds, use whatever seeds you want. Or you can just eat it like that, it's all up to you. But I love to add my seeds. So I'm gonna go with my pumpkin seeds and I'm gonna go sprinkle pumpkin seeds on each cracker. Now I'm gonna go in with my pecans. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take like 2 pecans and put on each rice cake. So 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And 1, 2. Just like that. I'm gonna go in with the walnuts, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a walnut in each. So 1 walnut there, 1 walnut here, a walnut here, and a walnut there. And like there's just like these little tiny like little pieces. I'm just gonna like drop like I guess like a half a walnut on both. So like each one has like a walnut and a half. And then I'm going to take my coconut flakes and I'm gonna put them all over it. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so good. This definitely curbs my like sweet cravings. Oh my gosh, it's like the best. Like I love it. All right guys, and there you have it. This is what I'll have for a snack, you guys. Honestly, it is so good. Sometimes I even have it for dinner because I'm just like, I don't want to eat dinner, I just want something light, so I'll just go for this for dinner. I'm obsessed with this. It tastes amazing and it really does curb your sweet craving. Like if you have a sweet tooth and you're like, dang, I don't want to keep eating donuts, I don't want to keep eating candy or chocolate bars or cakes, pastries and those things, I highly recommend this. This is way better than those things. This might not be like the lowest in cal because obviously, you know, nuts are high in calorie, but I didn't use a lot of nuts as you can see, and it's way better than a Snickers bar. Okay. So yeah guys, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know if you guys want me to do more videos like this to show you guys like basically just like certain dishes. I will definitely do that for you guys. Stay tuned for the close-ups of this, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support. Yeah, I'll show you guys a close-up now because your girl's hungry and my mouth is watering. Okay guys, I'll show you guys now. Bye.